In this video, I review how to use the IP restriction feature in the ACO portal. This gives me additional security by approving a list of known good IP addresses I can authorize to access the portal. To begin, I hover over the Settings menu and click on IP Restriction Management. I add my IP addresses before enabling the feature to ensure access to the portal. I click the Add button to load the IP list editor. I enter a unique name for the IP entry, and then add the IP using CIDR notation, and click on the Save button. My IP address is not included in the list, so I see a notification with a button to add it as an entry. I click on the Add button. Now all my addresses have been entered, and I click on the IP Restriction Enable slider. These changes will take effect within 5 minutes of enabling. Now, only authorized IP addresses can access the portal. I have reviewed how to use the IP restriction feature in the ACO portal. For more information, please click Resources in the portal to access documentation and other training resources.